Hi, in this video we will see what is a unit bank, which is very unique in India, which is called UNIT, unit bank, and how is it different from branch banking, and what is a hybrid bank. So these are the three topics we will just briefly look into. What do you mean by a unit bank? Unit banking refers to a single, usually very small bank, but it operates on all financial services to its local community. Typically, a unit bank is independent and operates without any connection, any connecting banks or branches in the area. What is unit banking example? Unit banking refers to a bank that is single, usually small bank that provides financial services to its local community. A unit bank is independent and does not have any connection with any other bank. Bank and branch bank. Unit banking is that system of banking in which there is a single small banking company. Branch banking is banking method wherein bank operates in more than one place. This is the huge difference between these two entities. So what is unit banking and its advantage and disadvantage? The unit banking system lacks the benefit of specialization. So, and there is no division of proper labor in that kind of a bank. In this type of system, there will be destructive competition because there is a single unit, and it'll be more like localized, servicing happening. And if there is another bank of similar type in that area, there will not be much competition. So they have to go to the same customers for that. Limited sources of unit bank restrict their ability to face financial crisis. That's a huge problem. So what are the features of unit banking? Unit banking means a system of banking under which a single banking organization provides banking service. This we have already seen. Such a bank has a single office or place of work. There is no multiple branches or multiple offices. What are the disadvantages they have? They have local pressure, no economies of large scale, is restricted to only that area, lack of uniformity in the interest rates. So the competition will be more, and hence to retain the business they tend to reduce the interest rates, thereby ending up in losses. Limited resources, very unhealthy competition in unit banking. So it has its own board of directors and stakeholders. So they will have more say on the functioning of the bank. What is branch banking? Branch banking, we all know that we are commonly seeing a system in which a bank provides banking services through a wide network. So they have expertise, they have other area advantage. So what are the advantages of that? There is a greater diversification of both deposits and advances. So if there is a risk area, say for example, any one particular industry is categorized as risky, branch banking can look into various other avenues for lending. So this is one of the biggest advantages. What are some types of banks? Retail banks, also known as consumer banks, commercial banks that offer consumer and personal banking services to the general public. And we have community development banks, investment banks, online and neo banks, and savings and loan associations are there. So coming to the last topic, what is the hybrid banking, which we have already discussed. In a hybrid banking model, financial institutions combine the brick and mortar physical banking approach with virtual banking. So this is hybrid. So this is very common nowadays. The bank should be using technology and digital for creating integrated banking with a human touch. Now many of the banks, like earlier we have seen, we have public sector banks, private sector banks, old generation private sector banks, regional rural banks, cooperative banks. So we have various banks, and many banks are adapting a single window system where technology is coming to of use. Even nowadays, the customers do not need to visit the branches or banks for their regular operations. ATMs, mobile banking, internet banking, everything is serving the purpose. Everywhere it's a digital payment which is getting accepted. So this unit bank has its local flavor, and it takes care of the local needs. Thank you very much, and I hope this will be useful for your curriculum. Bye.